Okay, ready? Be easier to go socks even. Ready? Oh, stand up, stand up. Stand up, you ready? Stand up. Okay, ready? Here we go. Up, boom, up, boom. Okay, let's take your socks off so it's even easier.
Oliver, over here.
Ready? Good job.
Oliver, go lie down. Go down, buddy.
Okay, stand up. Okay, there you go. Boom. Boom. Ready? Here we go. Walk to mommy. Walk to mommy. Yeah. Yeah. I love you.
I might have got on video.
I love you. You ready? I got Santa too. She's gonna go. Yeah, walk to mama. Walk to mama. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Oh, boom. You're so excited you're not standing up. Yeah! Yay! Yay, your first step. You can put this in the book.
Uh-huh.
Yay!
Sydney, are you wearing a Santa suit?
You can walk to daddy.
Oh, Sydney, come over here.
Stand up, ready? Walk
Here.
to daddy. Walk to daddy.
Oh, come here, Miss Sydney.
Come on. Walk to mommy. Come here, come here. My smart girl. My strong girl.
Sydney, you're wearing a Santa suit. You're a little Jewish girl. Don't you know that? Oh, you're gonna clean now too.
You gonna clean? That's not. That's for sweeping the floor. Look. Go. Sweep the floor. Does look like a hairbrush, huh? For sweeping the floor, not your hair. Yuck. Let's walk. Walk to mommy. Come on. Walk to mommy. Ready? Ready? Yay! 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 Yay, Sydney! Come on! Oh, yes, Sydney! Yay, Sydney! Yeah. Is that your hair? Is that your hair? You want to brush your hair? I can't believe you took steps.
I recorded it.
You recorded?